Today I'm off to the Marrickville Metro self-service car wash. It's quite a mouthful, I know. It's basically a car wash that's based in the shopping centre of the Marrickville Metro shopping centre, and it's up in a multi-storey car park. This car wash opens at 6:30. However, you can actually use it any time. All that really changes is that at 6:30 they turn on extra lights, but the lights that are there are actually adequate. Well, I think so anyway. That does, I mean, technically, is that a 24-hour car wash? Could be. And I imagine they have times on it to stop people, you know, maybe there's a law around you can't wash your car at 2 a.m. But as far as I'm concerned, it's a 24-hour car wash because I'm pulling in right now and no one's stopping me. It has 4 car wash spaces. What I find as well is I tend to go quite early at 5 a.m. because it gets really busy, being probably one of the only self-service car washes in the Sydney central area for inner west, maybe not quite inner west, but inner west, eastern suburbs. It's very popular, and this area that we're in, the Newtown, Marrickville, St. Peter's area, lots and lots of apartments. What you'll find is that it gets very busy, and the system that they have where you have 4 car spaces to wash your car in, and everyone else will queue up in these other spaces. I just over my shoulder, I'll show you. It's just a bit of a free-for-all. Like, if you know that that system is there, then you wait in line. But people will just come drive up and then they'll steal any old space, and it causes absolute chaos. And the amount of times I've nearly got into a fight with someone because they've just poached in front of me. So I decided to kind of remove that aggro by coming really early when there is nobody else here. And I can just do what I want. So, let's go for it. The car wash has a multi-function power hose, it has a foaming brush, it has a vacuum, it has a place to clip your car mats. So this is the light that's there, which is completely adequate, and at 6:30 the other lights turn on. This is the signage for the wash options. I only really use the pressure rinses with the soap spray, the foaming brush and the wax. I don't really touch the tyre cleaner and the bug spray, to be honest. I don't really feel they do anything. There's your standard no muddy vehicle sign that you find at all the car washes. No one really listens to that. Okay, so the pricing starts at $6 for 5 minutes, $12 for 10 minutes, $18 for 15 minutes, and $24 for 20 minutes. It used to be $1 a minute, but they've obviously increased the prices along with everything else in the world. The multi-option power hose has 2 settings, which most car washes have. You pull the trigger in, it's a lot more powerful. You release the trigger and it's less powerful. The foaming brush has adequate amount of foam. I'm not really sure what I'm comparing it to, but it seems pretty foamy to me. Okay, so the vacuum has a pretty good suction. Again, like the foaming brush, I'm not quite sure how to measure the suction of the vacuum, but it picks up most things within reason. What I tend to do at this car wash is use one of the empty spaces to dry my car down. Sometimes I don't do this, sometimes I do. I would rate it a 7 out of 10, mainly because like it does everything you need. Like there's no bells and whistles, and its location is quite handy. But because of actually where it is in a car park, as I mentioned, it's just a little tiny bit annoying and a bit of a nuisance to actually wash your car there. The system, as I said, isn't just a straightforward lineup kind of thing. It's a lineup slash free for all, whoever can get in there, and that's annoying. I know there's better car washes, which is why I'm rating it a 7 out of 10. We're home. All right, join me next time where I will find another unsuspecting car park to review and wash my car at. Probably there's one near the Sydney airport, so we'll head there. Thank you for joining me, and see you next time. Bye.